Hey guys, let's see how we can process the down payment in Odoo 19 POS module using the sales module as initial step. Like here, we can't find any kind of a feature which is called down payment in POS module, but how we can do that very easily without a customized module. Okay. So for that kind of purpose, initially I'm moving on to the sales module because we need to create a quotation. Here in POS module, we can only create the order directly from that dashboard itself. But moving on to the sales module, you can either create a quotation. For that kind of purpose, I just want to provide a customer name first. So let's imagine the scenario goes like my customer Openwood is actually there in my office, and the particular customer need a product, but they are only willing to pay a down payment first. That's in a fixed or a percentage amount, no problem. And the remaining amount will be pay later. Okay. So for that kind of purpose, I just want to add the product. So I'm going to search for the chair because they need a chair. So I just want to provide the office chair, and I'm going to update the unit price, which is $3,000. And imagine that Openwood is only willing to pay $1,000 now, and the remaining amount will be paying later in the last of this month or anytime, no problem. Okay. So first of all, you can simply create a quotation initially inside the sales module. And let's move back to the POS module. And I want to open the furniture shop because the chair will be there. Okay. So let it load. I am opening the register. There we have an opening cash. Once we are done with it, there you can see a toggle icon. So this is the direct dashboard to create an order, but you don't want to do something like that. Simply click on the toggle icon. There you will get an option to for the quotation and orders that you can simply select. By clicking on this option, these are the quotations and the things that we have created using the sales module. There you can see this is the sales order number as well. So once you guys are done with it, this is the one that we have created. Simply click on that option, and there you will get a wizard like this. What do you want to do? So there you can simply settle the order using the POS module, or you can provide or apply a down payment in a percentage or a fixed amount. So in our example, we are moving to the fixed amount because the customer is only willing to pay $1,000 now as an initial payment before the delivery, and after the delivery and completing the payment, not after the delivery, after completing the payment, we can move with the delivery and everything. But now they're only willing to pay the initial amount as a fixed $1,000. Okay. So once we guys are done with that, I'm going to apply this. So there you can see Odoo POS module is taking, instead of the product name, it has a down payment of POS. What is the actual amount that our customer going to pay now? And there you can see this is the sales order number, one quantity of office chair. This is the total amount including the tax. And there you can see Odoo is defaultly providing the customer once we are choosing the correct quotation from there itself. And I'm moving on to the payment session, and let's do the payment. So let it be the cash payment, and there you can see the whole details, and I'm going to validate it. So once we guys are validating the payment, okay, we are actually done with the down payment of 1,000 now. So there you can see under the receipt side, this is only a down payment of the product chair, but you can only see instead of the product name, there we have a down payment because we can already set this particular thing moving on to the settings menu. So I'm moving on to the new order, and let me remove this first. And let's move to the back end, and I'll show you what happened once we guys are doing all this kind of things inside the point of sales. So moving on to the sales module, or from the orders itself, you can find them. So I'm moving on to the orders. There you can see we have done with this particular thing, and these are the details about that. And we are done with the transfer from a sales module. Moving on to the point of sales, you can see we are transferred from the sales, and this is the invoice. If I'm clicking on there, okay, this is the invoice. It is paid the initial amount of $1,000 now. Let me move back, and this is the transferred order from the sales module. And if I'm clicking on there, this is what has actually happened inside the sales module. This is the whole detail about the invoice session. Like there we have the order line, which is for the office chair. The total amount is 3,000. We are done with the down payment of 1,000. So there you can see all detail. Okay, and if I'm moving on to the delivery, what has actually happened? This is still in the waiting process because the customer didn't even pay the full amount. They only paid a down payment of 1,000 rupees as initial. And once they are paying the remaining amount, what will be happening? It will be directly moving on to the done stage. I'll show you that as well. So let me move on to the, I mean, yeah, order session or dashboard itself. I can move on to there. Let me continue the selling. And I'm clicking on the toggle icon now, moving on to the quotation and orders. This is the order that we have created. Simply click on there. And if you want to complete the payment, you can simply click on settle the order. So once we guys are done with that, Odoo will be showing the remaining amount. How much is that the particular customer Openwood should be pay, and I'm just clicking on the payment. Now you can see there we have the total amount. Once we are done with that, you can choose which kind of payment that they are choosing. Let me validate this, and ta-da, we have actually done with the full payment of that particular order that we have done inside the POS module. So now under the receipt, you can see the whole details of that product, which is 3,000, the down payment that initially done, and what is the payment now we have done. Okay, so now I'm moving to the new orders, and let's move back to the back end, and I'll show you what has actually happened there. So moving on to the orders, simply clicking on there, and there you can see there we have fully invoiced. And if I am moving on to the sales module by clicking on this option, there you can see we have done with the whole amount, the payment and everything. And if I'm moving on to the delivery session, it is actually cancelled. Why? Because we didn't even done with the delivery inside the sales module. That's why under the sales module it is cancelled, but inside the POS module it is actually done. We have actually done with the delivery. Okay. So that's all about the down payment processing in Odoo 19 POS module. Without any customized modules or customized features, you can simply do everything like the down payment that's in a fixed or a percentage very easily. So I hope you all understood this video. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. I'll be back with another video. Till that, bye-bye.